Impact of the COVID-19 global pandemic, the government of Uganda is set to give COVID-19 cash support to vulnerable communities across the country. The government has reimposed a national lockdown to curtail the surging new infections, which have left many people in challenging situations. About 500,000 households are expected to benefit from the support. Details of that in this report.
Hassan Kasiri's van has been packed up for nearly 2 weeks since Uganda went into COVID-19 lockdown. He is a taxi driver in Kampala, but since public transport was suspended, he's not earning a living.
We taxi drivers are not doing well at all. From the owners of the taxi to us, who are employed to drive. The ordinary person is bad off. I call upon the president to remember us, the local people.
Hassan now spends time playing board games with his friends just to pass time. He is among the vulnerable groups who will receive a $30 cash transfer to help him and his family during lockdown. Families are expected to use the money for purchasing food and other household items. But Hassan says it's too little to meet his family's needs.
I beg the president to open up the country so that we can work and take care of our families, because the government will not be able to reach everyone with that money. When will it even reach us?
The government aims to reach about 500,000 households with this relief cash. The money will be transferred to mobile phone accounts. The cash transfers are yet to begin flowing into people's accounts, even when people have been home for close to 2 weeks. Last year, vulnerable groups were given food, but there were concerns that it wasn't enough and some people missed out in the handouts. A mobile van will also move to communities with cash to hand out to people without mobile phone accounts.
This 42 days vulnerable group is strictly those whom the lockdown measures interrupted their daily work, and their daily work is only when they work that they can earn something to eat.
The Uganda Bureau of Statistics will send teams to identify people eligible for this money. Categories listed include taxi drivers, hairdressers, teachers, musicians, pubs and nightclub workers, among many more. The government imposed a 42-day lockdown on 18th June to try and bring down infection rates, which had surged to over 1,000 per day. Uganda is going through a new wave of coronavirus that scientists say is more deadly. The Minister of Health says the numbers are now going down, but some urgent restrictions on movement are preventing many people from accessing testing centers. And many who depend on daily earnings, like Hassan, say the government should allow them to work under strict rules so they can sustain their livelihoods.